Hello everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Wake&Tech. Today in this video we are going to be learning how you can change your store name in Shopify. First of all, launch open any web browser of your choice and make sure that you're logged into your Shopify.com account. Once you're inside the home page of Shopify, go to the top right corner and look for the store name at the top right, and then you'll see your store's name in the pop-up. If you want to change that name, all you need to do is to go ahead and click on the settings button at the bottom left corner from your settings page. Click on this general button, and inside general, click the pencil button right next to your name of the store. Now, in the store name, go ahead and erase this current store name and write down a new one. After you are done, click save. Now, soon after you do that, you will be able to change your store's name, which should be reflected at the top right corner. So that is how you can easily change or edit your store name in just a few simple steps. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.